Hello students, welcome to EC Engineering. And in this video, again and one more topic in unit 1 of BE 8255, how the capacitors are connected in series and parallel. Here before in previous videos, we discussed the series and parallel connectivity of one resistor, how to find the equivalent resistance. Those who failed to refer the video, you kindly refer the description box. Link is given regarding in resistance in series parallel and its related tutorial problem. Well, enter into the topic capacitors connected in series. So let us consider three capacitors C1, C2, C3 which are connected in series and V be the supply voltage given. And each capacitor carries the same amount of charge Q. Let V1 be the drop across C1 and V2 be the drop across C2 and V3 be the drop across C3. Therefore, supply voltage V equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Now see what is V1. V1 is Q by C1, charge Q divided by C1. Then accordingly or similarly V2 equal to Q by C2 and V3 equal to Q by C3. So the instantaneous or a resultant voltage V equal to Q by C1 plus Q by C2 plus Q by C3. Or Q as a common, Q into 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. V equal to. So that is what given in the resultant voltage Q into 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by 3. Let us take CS is an effective capacitance of series combination and then it's again the charge Q is present. So the voltage V, applied voltage V equal to Q by CS. So now again become this V equal to Q by CS. While substituting over Q by CS equal to Q into 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Q get cancelled. So what should be the result? 1 by CS equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by 3. What we conclude here, when three capacitors are connected in series, and its equivalent resistance equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. If n number of capacitors are connected in series, then C equivalent equal to 1 by C1, 1 by C2 up to 1 by Cn. Now back to how the capacitors connected in parallel. Again consider three capacitors C1, C2, C3. And V is the supply voltage and Q1, Q2, Q3 be the charges. Where Q1 equal to C into V, Q2 equal to C2 into V, Q3 equal to C3 into V. Because those are all the parallel connections, voltages are same. Now the charge, total charge equal to summation of all the charges in a capacitor Q1, Q2, Q3 summation. So instead Q1 we are substituting over C1V plus C2V plus C3V. Now take charge Q equal to effective parallel capacitance Cp into V. So this expression becomes Cpv equal to V as common, V into C1 plus C2 plus C3. Again V get cancelled, Cp equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. If three resistors are connected in parallel. If n number of capacitors are connected in parallel, then C equivalent equal to C1 plus C2 up to Cn. So this is a very simple concept, students. Try to understand. The thing is, what should be the resultant capacitor in series and what should be the resultant when capacitor in parallel. Hope you can understand the concepts. We'll see the inductors in series and parallel in the next video. Students, if you can understand the concept, you put a like. Accordingly, I can understand. Thank you, students.